Hi guys. So this video is about a situation that I've noticed in the last Le Petit Bakery. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let me show you the solution file. So I'm going to make two videos. This first video is about Excel for students who have Excel. I think this is not 2010. I'm not sure which version this Excel. I think I can get it from the help. I will know which version is it from the help, I think. But in any case, there is a more advanced version of Excel that you won't face any problems. The problem is as follows. If you're using an older version of Excel, when you're actually creating here, for example, a pivot table, any pivot table, and then you selecting date, you will just have the date. But if your Excel gives you the date and the quarter, the year, the month, as I showed you in class, the other computer that I have, that I bring with me to campus in class, the other computer, in fact, is a more advanced version of Excel. So over here I had date, year, month. So whenever I can just take out the month and or take out the year and keep the month and so on. And this will be just fine. Now the problem with this kind of Excel, this version of Excel, a little bit older, not the 360 also, the thing what will happen is, over here, if you change the monthly, if you change this to monthly, also the quarterly one will change. Now, for me to prevent this from happening, I went anywhere in the, as you can see in this pivot table, and I went to design and change data source, and I changed the data source into another data. You see here, I copied the data, this data exactly. I hit Control Shift right arrow, down arrow, and I copied that, and then I in fact added it to, yes, added it here. I lost the day, but it's okay, we're not using the day for now. So for this, I'm gonna just, go to design, go to analyze and change data source, and then I'm gonna change the data source into my sheet here, and then as you can see here, Shift, Control, and down, and enter. And now if I change the grouping here, for example, here's cookies and cakes, let's add here, and then I change the grouping from quarter to a month or whatever, it will not really affect any other sheet. So over here, this sheet is the monthly. It takes the data from the same sheet. This takes the data from the original data, and then I have also the trends. So I have to add the data here again, because this is an older version of Excel. If you have the newer version of Excel, then you will be able to filter out. I don't want to use filter out because it's like filters here. You can just eliminate or take out the granular levels of date that you do not wish to include, and keep the month, for example, or the quarter that you wish to keep. Okay, so this is it for what I wanted to say about this video. I hope this helps you as students who don't have the latest version of Excel. Thank you so much.